Hello, this is Terrence Thomas, CHEK faculty member, CHEK practitioner. In this video, I'm going to give you some quick tips on how to improve your pressing techniques on top of the Swiss ball. Well, one of the advantages of doing your presses on the Swiss ball is that it encourages proper shoulder mechanics, if done correctly, but there are some fine details that you want to pay attention to. Now, the problem with pressing on a traditional flat bench is that it restricts optimal shoulder range of motion. It restricts the optimal movement of the scapula around the rib cage. And if you're not conscious of that, you can easily train yourself into a shoulder injury, which many people do. So the Swiss ball almost idiot-proofs that phenomenon, and it just because of the design of the ball, it encourages a better mechanical movement of the shoulder blade around the rib cage. So the scenario is this. Let's say you're pressing, doing any pressing, whether it's overhead or supine or incline, and you hear this grinding, or what we call crepitus, in the joint. If you are hearing grinding or crepitus, it tells you that you have what we call a suboptimal instantaneous axis of rotation. Or in English, the joint isn't riding properly within the space itself, and there needs to be some correction. Because if you continue to train within that crepitus, you're just going to wear your joint out. So you take that grinding or that cracking or popping as an early sign that there's an injury potentially forthcoming. So one of the ways that I've been able to train clients out of this pattern is to, first of all, make sure that they're pressing with their posture in the right position. So I'm going to show you how to tweak the flat and the incline dumbbell press on top of the Swiss ball. Now, one of the common problems that I see people making is, even though they're on the ball, if you're too far forward and your neck is in flexion, it's putting your spine into more of a kyphotic posture, and this is what's going to cause your shoulders to not ride properly. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that your sternum is elevated. So that may mean you rolling back on the ball just slightly to encourage your chest to lift. So that's going to be your sign, right? Okay, in this position, my shoulder blades can ride comfortably, and it's encouraging a good posture within my rib cage. Now, if that's still a problem, what I tend to do is I can drop down and do more of an incline position, and that puts my thoracic spine into even more of an extension. And I found that people who can't do it here can do it here with no crepitus whatsoever. So give those two techniques a shot, and let me know how it affects your shoulder mechanics. All right, guys, take care.